Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to wow your friends and family with a gorgeous modern wedding invitation video, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step how to make a stunning wedding invitation video using Canva even if you've never used Canva before. By the end, you'll have a completely customized, shareable invitation that sets the perfect tone for your special day. So let's jump straight in and make your invitation vision come to life. Alright, first things first, let's head over to Canva. Open up your browser and go to canva.com. If you don't already have an account, it only takes a minute to sign up, and trust me, you'll want one, since Canva makes the whole creative process ridiculously easy. Once you're on Canva, look for the big Create a Design button. It's usually at the top right of the screen. Give that a click. Now here's a tip. We want to use a format that's perfect for sharing on social media like Facebook or Instagram. In the search bar that pops up, type Facebook video. This will bring up design dimensions that work beautifully for most social platforms, making it super easy to share your invitation with friends, family, or even in your wedding planning groups. But we don't want just any video, we want something tailored for the occasion. So now in the next search bar, type wedding invitation video. Canva has an amazing range of pre-made templates created by talented designers, and searching this way will show you layouts and styles specifically made for wedding invites. You'll see everything from modern and chic to whimsical and romantic. Take a moment here and scroll through the options, hover over a few to see how they animate. Pick one that really matches the vibe of your celebration. If you're going for something elegant and formal, or maybe rustic and playful, there's really something for everyone. Once you've clicked on your favorite template, it'll open up right in the Canva editor. Here, where the real fun begins, let's start by editing and adding a background. You can change the background color to match your wedding palette, maybe a soft blush, a bold navy, or even a floral background if that suits your style. Click on the background and you'll see options pop up to try out a few different looks. You can also upload your own photo, like an engagement picture or a meaningful landscape, to really personalize it. Now modify everything you want. This is your moment to make the invitation truly yours. Click on any text box to update your names, the date, location, or RSVP details. You might want to tweak the fonts to something that feels more you, maybe a handwriting style font for a more personal touch or a timeless serif for a classic look. Play around with the animations too. You can decide how each element appears or disappears, adding just the right amount of flair without going over the top. Don't forget, you can add or remove elements as needed. If there's a little graphic you're not crazy about, just click and delete it. If you want to add some fun icons, hearts, rings, or florals, simply browse Canva's massive graphics library and drag them right onto your design. Don't worry if this step feels overwhelming. Take a deep breath, experiment, and remember that Canva saves your work as you go, so nothing's lost if you need to backtrack. And that's it, you've created your own wedding invitation video. Take a moment to review the whole thing, hit the play button in the editor to watch it through, and make sure it looks exactly how you want it. When you're happy, simply hit download, choose the MP4 option, and you're ready to share your beautiful invitation with the world. See, it really is that simple and powerful. If you found this helpful, give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to show off your invitation, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tutorials just like this. Good luck with your wedding planning and happy creating.